My name is Marty Christopher Lawson. I have been a Chicago police officer for over 20 years, and I am currently on a leave of absence. On September 30th, 2004, inside the building behind me, I attended a hearing with the Policemen's Retirement Board. On that morning in room 1626, as stated in complaints later filed with various agencies, I was verbally assaulted, humiliated, and degraded before friends and civilians by the board and its attorney, David R. Kugler. They investigated me, my immediate family, and other relatives because of my efforts to stop discrimination at Speedway Super America and Amoco Oil Company. I paid Esquire Deposition Services $182.64 for a copy of the hearing transcripts of that day. What I received were severely altered transcripts and information of apparent pension fund abuses. In 2005 through 2006, Asif and I made complaints to Esquire Deposition Services, the Fraternal Order of Police, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office, the Illinois Attorney General's Office, the Attorney Review and Disciplinary Committee, the U.S. Attorney's Office, and even the FBI. I am now at Esquire Deposition, 155 North Blacker Drive, and we're here to talk with a supervisor about the altered transcripts of September 30th, 2004. Those alterations were by Kathleen Marthaler. This is my second complaint since February 2006. I paid $182.62 in March of 2005 for the seriously altered transcripts. I am not sure if we will be arrested or not, but when your civil rights are violated so badly that it affects your dignity, if it takes being arrested to get out the truth, it is well worth it. And at this time we're going to go upstairs and speak with the supervisor regarding it.
Well, Asif and I didn't quite know what to expect when we got upstairs. But when someone takes your money, what else can you do?
If I'm the one that was deposed, yes.
Okay. This gentleman.
I'm Marty Lawson.
This is Sharon, the manager.
Sharon, hi. I'm tape recording my conversation because I don't want any misunderstandings here.
Okay.
This is my second complaint regarding the smartphone. I sent one in February of 2006, and it was certified mail, and I believe Lisa Cole signed for it.
Okay.
In that mailing, there was information regarding Ms. Marthaler's actions in my case. So this is the second complaint. And
can I ask again, sir?
Sure.
You're the deponent.
Yes, I am. I'm Marty Lawson.
After the deposition, did you waive or reserve signature?
I can't recall that. I don't remember doing anything like that.
Okay, because that's standard in every deposition, so that's maybe something that you should check.
All right.
Because if you reserved signature, that's basically saying, okay, I want to take some time and read the transcript. And then when you do that, there's something that's called errata sheets.
Okay.
That it's something that if you don't agree with what was said, you would put your changes on that.
Okay.
And it doesn't change the record, but it would become part of the record then.
Sharon, these records were altered. That's my problem. I mean, there were things omitted, words put in that I didn't say. It was horrible.
Okay, but for future though,
I
do you have the job numbers here?
I don't know what to do.
I do. I mean, there's nothing that I really have to look into this.
That's fine.
Because
That's fair enough. But someone please look into it. That's all I'm asking.
But for future, though, I mean, if you're going to be deposed, make sure you reserve your signature so then you can sit down and, go through the transcript like you did now.
Okay.
And then if you have any discrepancies with anything that you think might be in the record,
okay,
then at that point is when you can change them.
Okay.
There's really not too much you can do after the fact if you waive signature, which I need to look at the transcript to see what it was that you did.
Okay.
Because I don't really know. But do you have a copy of what your discrepancies are?
I have a copy of the transcripts that
I have
Mrs. Marthaler sent me.
Okay, I have those copies of the transcript.
Do you have the tape?
I don't know if she saved her audio. The reporters aren't required to. But I could ask her. I don't have any problem with that.
Okay.
But what I will check just to see at the end of the deposition if you waived or reserved your signature.
Okay.
Because that'll make the difference.
The only way to understand what's missing from these transcripts are to listen to that tape. I mean, Sharon, what I went through that day, I don't think any human being would ever forget if you could listen to that tape.
Okay.
The transcripts are one thing. That tape will speak volumes of something totally different that occurred in that courtroom, in that hearing. And there's no way in the world I could live with it. This is why I'm here. I cannot accept this. I paid $182 for these transcripts.
Who was your attorney, may I ask?
John Kelly.
Is he from his own law office?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
But she was there, and it's what it is. So please look at it. My address is here.
Okay.
If someone could just write me and let me know, because I'm just getting a total runaround. No one's even responding to anything. So I don't know what to do.
But like I said, the difference is going to be if the signature was waived or reserved.
Okay.
I mean, I'll do what I can just to check the transcript if there's audio, but unfortunately, if there's no audio, then
there was that day.
I know, but what they do is erase it because it goes on a machine, and then it's the next job, and it's just...
That's bad.
Do you have a phone number that you could put
I would
on
rather,
your,
Sharon, I would
business
rather
card?
someone, that's my address right there, that's my home address, it's on the transcripts, and that's the problem. No one's, if someone talks to me, I mean, they're going to change that. So I would rather everything be in writing from this point forward, because nothing has been done. And if something's going to be done, I would just like to see it in writing, because that's the problem.
Okay.
Everything's being erased. So if I can have something in writing, that would greatly help the situation.
Okay. Yeah, let me look into that. And like I said, the difference too is when your attorney says, are you waiving or reserving signature?
I don't really know that.
Okay, well, I'm going to check the transcript and see what you had said on that. But just like for future, just like it's just for yourself, you're better off just reserving, because that means that, okay, you want to sit there, look at the transcript, and you're going to have a correction sheet.
Okay.
So anything that you might dispute in the transcript, then you could make your changes. But again, it doesn't change the transcript, but they just add it to the transcript where they are acknowledging this is what, you're saying is not correct.
Okay.
But I'll take a look and see what the end of the transcript says. How long ago was the death? A little while ago?
It's September 30th, 2004.
Okay.
I sent the complaint.
I'm going to guess from 2004 there are no tapes.
Okay.
But like I said, I'll take a look at your transcript and see what you put in for your signature waived or reserved, and
please do.
We'll get back to you.
Okay. Thank you, Sharon.
Do you want to get a business card or something?
Do you have a card?
Yeah, I don't unfortunately have a current card.
Okay.
But you could just, There you go.
Well, thank you so much.